See, a power transmission line feeds input power at 2300 volt. So, we can take here actually EP is equal to 2300 volt to a step down transformer with its primary windings of 4000 turns. So, that is NP is equal to 4000. Now, what should be the number of turns in the secondary coil in order to get output power of 230, output power at 230 volt. So, ES is equal to 230 volt. So, we have to get NS. So, we know it ES upon EP is equal to NS upon NP. So, we have to calculate NS. So, we can write NS is equal to ES into EP upon ES into NP upon ES into NP upon EP, and ES is given to us 230 into NP is given to here 2300, that is 4000 divided by here, and this NP EP is given here 2300 volt. So, we can cancel this 0 and this here 400 turns. So, NS is coming here 400 turns.